it actually all fits at that now. I would just like to get it totally levelled up. I think it's level. Yes, level that way. But not quite that way. It needs to come up this side just a tiny bit, and that way I don't have, once I know that everything's correct. I mean, this is assuming that everything is parallel and level and everything on the hull. Right, I think we're getting there. I've just pushed these under just as a rough idea, just to see how it looks. Now they've got to go further out yet, which could pose a slight problem, what with these being in the way. But at least I can measure up and get the tabs and everything on now, so that yeah. Now I don't know whether you can see this from there. I'll just hold that there and kind of hope that you can see it. This is the original plans, and I just put them in a frame and hung them up upstairs so I can just marvel at them at my leisure. But you can see the battery pods are straight in line almost with the side of the hull, with the centre line of those viewports there, and they did come out quite a bit further, which I've shortened, so I'm not sure what's going to happen there. But I've obviously got to get them further out yet, so I need to measure that properly. That way. But just eyeballing it, I think it looks like it was this pillar here. Now I do know that when this sub was originally operational, they tested it to 200 metres and the original battery pods collapsed. So the pods that were on it were borrowed ones, and then they took them off and obviously perhaps gave them back to the original owner or whatever. So that's why it came with no battery pods on. So I don't know if these are the original supports or the ones for the second set of pods. But either way, they look as if they're in the right place. So I think this one's got to slide over about 6 inches, but it doesn't matter because I can measure, and that's the point. And the actual tabs that are holding them on, they're not actually the same. You can see, so something's been going on. That side, they've kind of a bendy thing, and this side's completely different, or slightly different, so I'll need to modify all that, but anyway, whatever it is, it's all quite doable. I suspect I'll probably look back on this and think that this was the most difficult part of the project, which I suspect it will be. Because after this, it's just outfitting.